in the class? Yes, Ishwar, are you there in the class? I think he is not there. क्या बात हुआ आज ईश्वर ने क्लास क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन किया? Okay,
We don't know.
let us start. Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, students, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And the voice is also okay? Is the volume proper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. See, in the previous class, we were discussing about the self-introduction, okay, of a person at a formal place. Okay, if a person is present for some interview, okay, if a person is at some formal meeting and asked to give formal introduction, okay, so in that particular situation, what all contents are to be involved, what should be the sequence of the information, how it should be presented, okay, so all these points we were discussing. So in that particular discussion, we considered many points, okay, also about the content, and also we discussed that if the other side is of a specific gender, okay, then how to state the informations, okay, that also we checked, okay. So one example we did in that sequence, that of one of the person named Mansi Tamrakar, okay, and how she presented herself in a formal situation. We can assume that she was attending some interview, okay, she was attending that interview for some job purpose, okay, and in that particular state she was supposed to give her introduction in front of the interview panel. So in that sequence we checked. I'm just, as it was a long gap, so I'm just making you to recall what all we discussed. मैं सिर्फ आपको कंटेंट दिखा रही हूँ. एंड ईश्वर, आपने ज्वाइन कर लिया है क्या क्लास? आपने क्लास ज्वाइन की है क्या अभी? नहीं, नहीं है अभी तक,
नहीं है मैम.
है ना? कोई बात नहीं, उसको मैंने पर्टिकुलर असाइन भी किया था ये कि आप जो है, जो भी करेक्शंस हमने डिस्कस किए हैं वो आप लिख के प्रेजेंट करोगे, ठीक है? सो एनी हाउ he is not present today, maybe due to certain reason, although otherwise he is quite sincere for attending the classes. So whenever he joins we will ask him to present it, okay. But abhi aap yahan pe isko dekho zara, you just check here that this particular content we discussed, okay, ye content humne discuss kiya tha, and iske sare corrections bhi humne discuss kiye the. So you can, those who were present in the,
No, ma'am.
yes,
Last class, हम पूरा नहीं. We didn't completed the correction of a part fully. We just started. We just finished the first para only, I think.
no, this particular introduction we completed all the required correction. ये जो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल
No,
था, इसका करेक्शन हमने कर लिया था, डिस्कस सारा का सारा पूरा कर लिया था. मे बी यू वर नॉट प्रेजेंट. हु इज सेइंग दिस? मे बी यू वर नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द क्लास, बट वी completed this because all in my classes I have completed this.
maybe yes. No, ma'am. ये फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ ही तो हुआ था, मैम.
नहीं, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ नहीं हुआ था बेटा, सारा हमने कर लिया था. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हमने सारा कर लिया था. आप मे भी प्रेजेंट नहीं होगे क्लास में, ठीक है? आप पूछना ईश्वर से पूछना, इवन प्रज्ञा कैन टेल. ओके, वी कंप्लीटेड दिस एग्जाम्पल. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया था. सी, इन दिस एग्जाम्पल I'll be sharing this with you people, okay, in your classroom group. आपका जो classroom group है, ठीक है, उसमें मैं ये पूरा फाइल शेयर कर दूंगी आज. ठीक है, तो in the first example we checked that whatever information was said by Mansi, okay, in that context of interview, okay, the sequence of the information was quite correct, okay, but sometimes she was saying very unnecessary informations, extra informations, okay, and also some of the information in incorrect manner. Okay, those were not correct in terms of grammar, those were not correct in terms of the occasion, in terms of the situation. Okay, so all these things we discussed, and we also discussed about the possible corrections in that. Okay, to bring more and more effectivity in the self introduction. Clear? So ये हमने डिस्कस किया था. अभी ये नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल आप चेक करो जरा. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल आप चेक करिए, ये वाला यहां से शुरू हो रहा है. ठीक है. यस स्टूडेंट्स, आर यू एबल टू सी द स्क्रीन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Pragya, I will ask you to make correction in that. Okay, you just read
Okay,
out the sentences, okay, from starting itself, and please describe whether the sentences, whether the information is correct or not, okay, and what correction you suggest. ठीक है, और जो है सीक्वेंस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन भी करेक्ट है कि नहीं है. ठीक है, और इफ यू आर इन अ स्टेट टू से व्हाई इट इज नॉट, वो भी अच्छी बात है. ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड कि इफ आप रीजन भी स्टेट करो. क्लियर?
yes,
नाउ
ma'am.
टेल, नाउ स्टार्ट. Because if I am doing all the time, then it is of no use. Okay, you should do one or two, then only
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
learn. Yes, yes, start.
Good morning, sir or ma'am. First of all, thanks
Is
for
it
giving me,
written ma'am here? What is written?
madam.
Madam. Okay, so what is written, that you have to speak. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So just
First,
evaluate this greeting. Okay, as this is the complete context. Greeting in itself is a complete context. Okay, so is this greeting correct for the
ma'am,
interview purpose?
it's correct, but we can write beside of writing sir or madam, we can say it like good morning to everyone.
Okay, so is it a meeting that particular person is doing, or the person is appearing for some interview and giving the self introduction? It is the occasion of interview. The person is giving self introduction in that interview. So the person cannot address good morning everyone. Okay, that is quite impolite. Okay, so the greeting is quite correct one. Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
As per the day of the time, sorry, as per the time of the day, okay, this address is quite correct. ये correct है, ठीक है. Suppose morning time है, तो as the person enters, good morning sir, good morning ma'am, ठीक है. और this we discuss that subjectivity can be avoided in greeting. तो sir और madam को बोलने की ही जरूरत नहीं है. It is not necessary to create subjectivity in the greeting. Okay, it can be simply said good morning. Good morning all. ये क्या रिफ्लेक्ट करता है, या गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, ये क्या रिफ्लेक्ट करता है? ये डोमिनेंस. ठीक है, ये डोमिनेंस को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है, जबकि इंटरव्यू में डोमिनेंस, कैंडिडेट को डोमिनेंस रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं करना है. इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ये हमने पॉइंट पहले भी डिस्कस किया था. ओके, so rest of the students, please note down this correction we are suggesting here. It can be simply good morning. Okay, exclude sir, madam, ये सब exclude कर दो आप. ठीक है, ये हमें see this we have to decide if a single person is sitting, okay, that person is male or female, accordingly we can create subjectivity in the greeting. But if more than one persons are sitting, then आप किस किस को आइडेंटिफाई करोगे स्पेसिफिकली, ठीक है, या कैंडिडेट किस किस को स्पेसिफाई करेगा, तो वहां सब्जेक्टिविटी को एक्सक्लूड ही करना है. Is this point clear? And even if a single person is sitting, okay, then also subjectivity has to be avoided. तो सब्जेक्टिविटी को ग्रीटिंग से इंटरव्यू के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आप हटा ही दीजिए. You just exclude that. ठीक है, that is more effective, more objective. Yes, next.
First of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
Okay, is this sentence correct, Pragya?
Ma'am, the sentence is correct, but I don't think so that we can write thank you beside we write thanks. Thanks is some impolite. It sounds very impolite if we address someone, like if we are addressing our who is taking our interview, we are addressing to them, we can we can say thank you instead of saying thanks. As thanks we
Okay,
speak
no,
generally.
is it correct to say this type of sentence when starting the self introduction context? Okay, is it right to say this sentence, first of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself?
We can
Is it a
neglect.
routine meeting? Is it a routine meeting? No.
No, ma'am. We can
No.
neglect it also.
Yes, okay. This is totally unnecessary sentence, unnecessary statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, straightforward. The person has to start from the next information. As she has mentioned, my name is Priyadarshini Krishnamurthy. Okay, so good morning. My name is, okay, as those people ask her, okay, or ask the candidate to give her introduction. So this particular sentence is not at all required. Okay, that first of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Okay, ना तो ये मीटिंग है, ना ये कोई गेस्ट का इंट्रोडक्शन हो रहा है, ठीक है. It is a self introduction for a job interview. Okay, so this should be avoided. So now, yes, next, Pragya.
My name is Priyadarshini Krishnamurthy. I am from Thoraipakkam. I am 20 years old.
Okay. So what about this information? Is it correct? Or how much
Yes,
it is correct? Or do you suggest some corrections?
She
Yes.
wrote it correctly.
How much it is correct? Is it correct to say I am 20 years old? See, this is unnecessary information. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is quite sufficient to say my name is Priyadarshini Krishnamurthy. It is right. Okay. And I am from Thoraipakkam. Okay. At least the person should add some more information of place. अब थोराईपक्कम कहाँ पे है? ठीक है, कर्नाटका में है, तमिलनाडु में है, केरला में है, ठीक है. तो केरला, तमिलनाडु, चेन्नई, कर्नाटका, ये तो आई थिंक मैक्सिमम पीपल जानते हैं, ठीक है. लेकिन थोराईपक्कम को लोकेट करना इट इज वेरी मच डिफिकल्ट. सो हियर सम वी कैन से द ब्रॉडर स्पेस हैज टू बी एडेड विद द इंफॉर्मेशन.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. सपोज किसी फॉरेन कंपनी में कोई इंटरव्यू दे रहा है, ठीक है, तो मे बी दिल्ली, सॉरी, मे बी जो है हैदराबाद सबको नहीं पता, ठीक है. पीपल फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज दे डू नॉट नो अबाउट हैदराबाद, बट ओके, दे नो अबाउट द पर्टिकुलर स्टेट ऑफ द इंडिया, okay, or they know the country India. So the person can say I am from Hyderabad, India. ठीक है, तो वो ब्रॉडर स्पेस को इजीली लोकेट कर लेंगे. ओके, द पर्सन इज इंडियन, द पर्सन इज फ्रॉम इंडिया. Okay, or Hyderabad is some Indian space or Indian place. Okay, so यहाँ पे the person has to add some more information of the broader space, which is familiar for maximum people, which is familiar for mass. Okay, so that correction we have to make here. ये हमें ध्यान रखना है when we are also appearing for interview. Okay, we have to say the information in this manner. Suppose some of you belong to Bengal. Okay, so you have to speak about a particular place and then you have to speak about Bengal. Okay, then it can be easily identified. Suppose I belong to Rajasthan. Okay, so I want to mention the local place name, but with that I have to say Rajasthan because maximum people do not know my local place. Okay, but they are familiar with the information Rajasthan. Okay, so that is how the information has to be arranged. Clear? And I am 20 years old. This is not at all required. Is this point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same time, it should contain meaningful information. Yes, next.
Now I am coming to my qualification. I completed my 10th in 2015 with 93%. I completed my 12th in 2017 with 95%. I joined in Itharaj College for my undergraduate BCom secretaryship, but unfortunately I was not able to continue my studies, so I was discontinued my studies in second year, which means fourth semester. I have basic computer knowledge.
Okay. So, uh, yes, what she is talking about. Pragya,
She's, she's talking
what
about her
is,
qualifications
which qualifications?
from her 10th, from 10th to her undergraduation.
So do we have some advanced word for this type of qualifications, academic qualifications, educational qualifications?
Yes, ma'am. Educational
Huh?
qualification.
Yes, academic, educational, okay. These are nothing in relation to professional qualification, okay. These are the basic academic qualifications. Clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
just, yes, Pragya, just focus on this statement. Now I am coming to my qualification.
Yes.
So
It was not necessary.
it was not necessary, okay, one point.
And
And do you suggest
she
some
wrote
correction
I
in that? Yes, yes. What suggestion you
she
are?
wrote I was not able to continue my studies, so I was discontinued by my studies. She wrote these things. mat- if she did, if she didn't write these things, it doesn't mean to the interviewer who is
She is
taking
not
her interview.
writing. She is not
She
writing.
is.
She's speaking all these things. She's speaking. Okay. She's speaking all these things. ये तो written inscription तो just for our practice. It is there. Okay. Otherwise, all these informations are orally presented by Priyadarshini. Clear? Now, see, uh, I was asking that as she has mentioned, I completed my 10th in 2015 with 93%. And I completed my 12th in 2017 with 95%. Okay, so is the information correctly presented or it could have been presented in a different manner?
It could, ma'am. It could have been presented in a different manner.
Yes, what is that different manner?
It present as I completed my 10th in I completed my 10th I completed my 10th securing 93% as I completed in 2015.
Suhreed, yes, Suhreed Haldar. Surid Haldar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is your observation in this part of introduction? Do you suggest some correction in this?
Yes, ma'am. It can be some sort. She can shorten it like that. This much details she can say, but it can be like some shorter also.
Okay. So how she can say this information? Can you just tell? Can you just tell that how she should present this information of academics? Yes, Surit? Adarsh? Adarsh Singh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you find this information presented by Priyadarshini is correct of academics?
Ma'am, I think she could have included the college name, school name.
No. Just remember, just recall the previous example we discussed. Okay. I suggested this. Okay. And this is even effective. Okay. This is accepted also, that it is unnecessary to speak about the names of the institutions. Already these informations are there in the resume or the CV or the biodata which has been provided by the candidate. Okay, so this is not, I think, this is not appropriate to mention all the details which are already you have provided. Okay, not all the details are to be presented in interview, in oral performance. And we discussed this point in detail in the previous example. Yes, Ankita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ankita, you can you suggest some corrections in this part of academics information presented by Priyadarshini? You're also
Ma'am.
Priyadarshini?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the way she described the whole of her qualifications, she can say it in a nutshell. Like, I came up with a better qualification background. As she already mentioned, all her qualification in the testimonials she deposited. So she did not explain more to the interviewer.
No, but then also see, in this particular context of self-introduction, one has to say something about academics. Okay, so how it has to be said, how it has to be presented. Yes, any other student has something to say about this? सुहरीत क्या हुआ भाई, आपका क्या इशू है?
उसको he is not able to hear your voice and voice is not audible to him.
Why?
Network issue.
Maybe there is some network issue at his place. At his place.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, if मेरे यहाँ से होता तो आप कोई भी नहीं सुन पाते. आपको तो सुनाई दे रहा है क्या
Yes,
सबको?
ma'am, definitely. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So I think he is having some network problem at his place. So Jitendra, do you have something to say about the corrections in this
Yes,
academic? Yes, tell.
She could have just like after completing her like from which place she belongs, she could simply have said, now coming to my educational qualification, I completed 10th with 93% and 12th with 95% for these
No.
3 lines instead of now. Okay.
students, you do not concentrate in the class. This is my observation. मैंने प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल को 2-3 दिन पूरा लगा के मैंने उसको आपको करवाया है, उसके बाद भी आप वो पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट्स, टेक्निकल पॉइंट्स ही पिक नहीं कर पा रहे हो. हाँ, फिर क्या फायदा इतना टाइम.
नहीं किया, I didn't attend it.
Yes, Jitendra, what you are saying?
I was not present in those classes in which you made the first examples correction.
Okay. So Pragya, now can you do? You, I think, received sufficient time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it.
Ma'am, she can either say that I secured 93% in my 10th examination and 95% in my 12th examination. And also she can add I was, but ma'am, she can ignore that she joined to the undergraduate college, but she unfortunately she discontinued her studies.
Okay. See, the very point you are not okay, and this I asked you to more focus on, okay, that this type of exact numerical statistics is not to be mentioned at the time of interview in terms of academics. Okay, that I secured 93%, I secured 95%, or so and so person secured so and so percentage. Already it has been mentioned in your CV and biodata. Yes, Adarsh, you have something to say?
Ma'am, maybe because someone has scored good marks, so to make an impression, she's adding that.
Already that impression has been made by the resume or the biodata or the CV which has been submitted. Okay, already that impression can be created by that medium.
All right, ma'am.
Okay. Instead of repeating the same information in same manner, the person can say, okay, as you can check here, see. And it is, see, first we will check this sentence. Now I am coming to my qualifications. Okay, this should not be presented in this manner. The information of academic qualification should not be mentioned in this manner. Okay, then as she is saying that in which year she has completed and how much was her score. Okay, that is also not efficient way of presenting the information of academics. Okay, instead of
correct this?
Yes, I am correcting, you note down. Okay, I am just making correction in that only, and I am suggesting that. Okay, you can have more effective sentences for the same. My suggestion is, okay, that I have completed my school education. Okay, I have completed my school education with good scores, with meritorious scores. ठीक है, तो आपने यहाँ पे अपना एक्सीलेंस भी रिफ्लेक्ट कर दिया, या कैंडिडेट ने अपना एक्सीलेंस भी रिफ्लेक्ट कर दिया. ठीक है, बट एट द सेम टाइम सेम इंफॉर्मेशन जो रिज्यूम, जो न्यूमेरिकल स्टेटिस्टिक्स हैं, ठीक है, वो यहाँ पे रिपीट नहीं हुए. Is this point clear, students? This is more effective. Yes. Okay, I have completed my school education and throughout I was a merit scorer. Okay, throughout I was a merit scorer because above 90% student, above 90% जिसके score है, definitely वो merit scorer है. ठीक है? We can think of many other words, but the meaning should be the same. Clear? So आपने ये भी बता दिया कि मेरी स्कूल एजुकेशन कंप्लीट है, ठीक है, और थ्रू आउट मैंने अच्छा स्कोर गेन किया है, ठीक है. This is how the information has to be presented. I have completed my school education. Throughout, I was a merit scorer. Then if there is some question from the other side, then only the person can present the numerical statistics. Otherwise, it is not necessary in the self-introduction to present the numeral statistics. Numeral statistics means कि 2015 में किया है, 93% स्कोर किया है, 17 में किया है, 95% स्कोर किया है. ये क्या है? ये न्यूमरल स्टेटिस्टिक्स है, ठीक है. तो इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. क्लियर? ये स्टूडेंट्स.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
इंटरव्यू में आपको ये स्टेटिस्टिक्स नहीं प्रोवाइड करने हैं, ठीक है. इंटरव्यू में सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ये स्टेटिस्टिक्स हमें नहीं प्रोड्यूस करने होते हैं, ठीक है. नाउ she is continuing about the information of her graduation education. Okay, so as we can see that she is referring that she got her admission in BCom, okay, with the specialization of corporate secretaryship. Okay, BCom, corporate secretaryship, but she was unable to continue her studies. Okay, she discontinued her studies. ओके, सो इतना उसने बहुत डिटेल में हर स्टेप को उसने डिस्क्राइब किया है, बट इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, सो हाउ शी कैन से द सेम इंफॉर्मेशन दैट आफ्टरवर्ड्स, सी आई have completed my school education. Throughout, I was a merit scorer. Afterwards, I joined a graduation course, okay, with the specialization of corporate secretaryship. Unfortunately, I was unable to continue my studies. That is enough. Okay, again, the numeral statistics are not required. Okay, unfortunately, due to some reasons, due to certain situations, I was unable to continue my studies, continue my graduation. Okay, we can have more words for the same. Okay, afterwards, I went for higher studies. I got admission in BCom, corporate secretaryship, but was unable to continue my studies, continue my graduation. ओके, अब वो सेकेंड फोर्थ सेमेस्टर में छोड़ा, थर्ड सेमेस्टर में छोड़ा, उसका स्पेसिफिक जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो ऑलरेडी रिज्यूम में बायोडाटा में है, तो यहाँ पे जरूरत नहीं है उसको रिपीट करने का एज इट इज. यस, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट स्टूडेंट्स? ये
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
बहुत इफेक्टिवली आपको तैयार करना है, ठीक है, इसमें कोई एरर नहीं करना है. नाउ
Can you
नेक्स्ट.
repeat this point, ma'am?
हाँ, आई एम रिपीटिंग. आफ्टरवर्ड्स, I got admission for higher studies in BCom. Afterwards, I got admission in higher studies. See, graduation is part of higher studies only. I got admission
Yes, ma'am.
for my higher studies in BCom with the specialization of corporate secretaryship, with a specialization of corporate secretaryship. Okay, that is one information. Unfortunately, I could not continue my graduation. I could not continue my graduation, or I could not complete. Okay, even you can use the word complete. I could not complete my graduation. Okay. Now next, as she is saying, I have basic computer knowledge. Okay. Instead of saying in this manner, the effective manner is, I have basic computing skills. Computing skills. That is the right term for this information. I have all required basic computing skills. I have all required basic computing skills. Okay. Now, Pragya, what is the next information? Read it out. सुहरीत
Now
अभी
I am
ज्वाइन कर लिया क्या फिर से? नेक्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है?
Now I am coming to my job experience. I started doing the job in 2019. My first job is in BPO as a telecaller. I experienced in banking for 4 months and 1 year experience in the Google mapping process. My goal is
Okay.
to reach a
Oh, yes, reach a.
my goal is to reach a higher position in a reputed company. My strength is my self motivation, punctuality, hardworking, and quick learner.
Okay, okay. So let us pick this information. Yes. Do you find the information is quite correct? As after her academics and basic computing skills, she is telling about some previous job experience of her. Okay. As she has worked in past time. So she is sharing that information. So is the sequence of information correct, Pragya?
No, ma'am.
No? Why?
Ma'am,
Why?
either if she ignores the year 2019, it is also
No,
correct.
I am asking the sequence of the information. After telling about academics, okay, after saying this also that she has basic computing skills, is it right to say about the previous experience, previous work experience? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay, that was my question. Clear? So fine, the sequence of the information is correct, but yes, how she has presented that we have to check. Yes. So ये इस तरीके से कहना क्या करेक्ट है? Now I am coming to my job experience. ये सेंटेंस क्या रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है? ये सेंटेंस ये रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है जैसे कोई प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहा है, ठीक है, कोई टॉपिक को प्रेजेंट कर रहा है, कोई पर्टिकुलर पर्सन एक फैमिली ग्रुप के बीच में, ठीक है, ऑलरेडी वो उसका पार्ट है, ठीक है, और उस पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप in front of that group, okay, the person is presenting some topic, okay, the statement has that tone in it, statement में वो tone है, ठीक है, तो what do you suggest? Quickly tell.
Ma'am, she can
Yes,
write as at my first job was
she is not
was
writing.
in
Pragya, please,
ma'am,
please,
con,
please concentrate on this information. She is not writing anything, okay.
sorry, ma'am.
Huh,
Ma'am,
she is speaking. Yes.
she can speak like my first job was in a BPO. My first job was in a BPO office as a true caller, as a
Mhm.
telecaller, and I have an experience of 4 months in a banking skill and for 1 year experience in Google mapping process.
Okay. Yes, any other student can suggest some correction in this? Yes, Priyadarshini,
Yes,
Ankita.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, she can speak like after completion of my
Not she
educational.
can, she should. She should, not she can.
Yes, ma'am.
She should.
Yes, she should say that after completion of my educational background, I was well aligned with my job experience as a telecaller in BPO, and I was also having a good experience in a Google mapping process in banking or something.
Okay. Jitendra, you have to say something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Previously, I have worked as a Truecaller in BPO. I also have no,
Telecaller, not Truecaller.
telecaller. I said.
हाँ?
Yes, I said telecaller only.
Telecaller, मुझे Truecaller सुनाई दिया. Okay. Okay, fine, fine. Okay, continue.
Please, then, that other thing is right. I think she could just. Mom, 1 minute. Give me one more minute.
Yes. Amit. Yes, Amit Kumar. Yes, students, this is the assignment for you people. I'll be sharing this. Okay. I'll be sharing this file, and this particular interview, you all need to make correction in. Okay. And you have to present in next class. ये सबका असाइनमेंट है और सबको करना है कंपल्सरीली. ठीक है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
In writing you have to do. Yes.
Ma'am, can you please share the previous one once again? I didn't attend the class.
No, I'll share the complete file. Lot of example are there in this file. Okay. So I'll
Okay,
share the
ma'am.
complete one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
और ये
Yes.
वाला सबको करना है. ये वाला सबको करेक्शन करना है और सबको you have to write what is your correction. Okay. And you have to write that and then you have to present. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा काम.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I say?
Yes, Jitendra. हाँ, yes, completed.
Previously, I have worked as telecaller in BPO. I also have 4 month experience in banking, and I and 1 year experience in Google mapping process.
Very nice, very nice. This is very precise, and I think all information she wanted to share, that all has been shared. Very good, Jitendra. आप क्या previous class में present थे क्या जितेंद्र?
नहीं मैम, मैंने तो पिछला पूरा फर्स्ट वाला
आपने
एग्जाम्पल
खुद
ही नहीं
किया
समझा.
है. ये सेल्फ
Yes, ma'am,
एफर्ट से very nice, very nice. Okay, very correct. And it is,
Thank
you see, you repeat, Jitendra, you repeat your sentence. All of you please concentrate on that, or you can note down.
Previously, I have worked as telecaller in BPO. I also have 4 month experience in banking and 1 year experience in Google mapping process.
Yes. Okay. So the exact information has been exactly presented. Okay. The information of what? Previous work experience in various fields. Okay. So in what field the person has worked and up to what tenure she has worked, that has been precisely mentioned. Okay. वर्क क्या किया है वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, कहाँ पे किया है वो इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. ठीक है. तो वो कब इम्पोर्टेंट होगा, पर्सन विल आस्क. ओके. तो व्हाट वर्क हैज बीन डन, that has been effectively presented by her. Okay. Sorry, that should be the presentation of the work experience, previous work experience. Clear? Yes, students, are you able to get this point? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So now okay, what she is, instead of saying in this manner or starting in this manner about her work information, now I am coming to my job experience. ये unwanted sentence है, ठीक है. Straightforward after saying this that I have basic computing skills, all basic computing skills, and also I have worked earlier, okay, or also I have worked previously as a BPO, sorry, as a telecaller in BPO. All okay, I have worked in banking sector for 4 months and also have the experience of Google mapping process of 1 year. Okay, this is how she has to present her information about previous work experience. Okay, now next she is saying that my goal is to reach a higher position in a reputed company. Okay, again this information has to be refined. Okay, it has to be reframed. I have aspiration.
Isn't it?
Note
Isn't
down.
it unnecessary?
Yes. No, it is not unnecessary. She can say about her future aspiration. Okay, she can say. Okay, so if she's saying, then what she could say that I have aspiration to reach. Note down. I have aspiration. I have aspiration to reach at a higher position. To reach a higher position. अब ये जो information है in a reputed company, okay, this has to be specified. This has to be specified. Higher position in BPO or in Google, okay, in banks or some other area of work she has decided for her. Okay, तो वो work area जो है वो specify करना पड़ेगा. That has to be mentioned clearly. ठीक है. In a reputed company, ये तो एक general statement हो गया. कौन सी reputed company? सारी company reputed है. आप dignity के context में आप किस?
Ma'am, maybe
Yes?
she is giving her interview in a different company which is not in
No,
is
तो
her
जिस
aspirational.
हाँ वो ही मैं कह रही हूँ कि जब वो जिस कंपनी में वो इंटरव्यू दे रही है उस कंपनी का नाम ले सकती है क्या, या वहां का जो भी प्रोफाइल है, ठीक है, उस प्रोफाइल को कंसिडर करते हुए शी कैन टेल. सपोज जो अभी नेक्स्ट कंपनी में वो जहां इंटरव्यू दे रही है, ठीक है, वो बैंकिंग सेक्टर का ही है कंपनी, ठीक है, वो कोई बैंक ही है दूसरा, ठीक है, तो बैंकिंग एरिया हो गया ना. क्लियर. या कुछ नया है, ठीक है, तो उस नए को उसको स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा. ओके, ये एक जनरल स्टेटमेंट नहीं हो सकता. I aspire to reach at a higher position in banking sector, in BPO companies, okay, or in so and so sector. Sector बोल सकती है instead of specifying a company. किसी नेम को स्पेसिफाई करने के बजाय सेक्टर स्पेसिफिकेशन इंफॉर्मेशन हो सकती है, बट द पॉइंट इज हियर सम स्पेसिफिकेशन हैज टू बी डन to bring the effectivity. Got my point?
Yes.
Suppose the person has previously worked in a very reputed firm or company, then you can
तो उस
use
reputed
that name as a
company का नाम
reference.
लिख. हाँ,
Yes, ma'am. So he can use that word, means that would be more beneficial for him.
हाँ, yes. वो स्पेसिफिक ही तो हो गया ना वो इंफॉर्मेशन. कोई भी रेपुटेटेड कंपनी उसका स्पेसिफिक यदि रेफरेंस आप दे रहे हो तो वो स्पेसिफिकेशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन ही तो हुआ. ओके,
नहीं मैम, जैसे आपने बोला सेक्टर को यूज करने,
मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ कि जब सपोज आप जो है नहीं डिसाइड कर पा रहे हो, ठीक है, द कैंडिडेट इज नॉट इन अ पोजीशन टू डिसाइड, ओके, which sector I should mention here, which company I should mention here, then the candidate can go for sector. Okay, otherwise
Understood.
she can mention. और यहाँ specific देखिए, why I am making a point here of specific information in a broader context. ठीक है, suppose in that particular moment she is appearing in interview in a different company, okay, but her aspiration is related to a different company from the same sector. ठीक है, अभी just किसी रीजन से जो है वो उस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी में जॉब के लिए या जो भी है उसकी अर्जेंट रिक्वायरमेंट है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट शी इज ज्वाइनिंग. ओके, शी वांट्स टू ज्वाइन, फॉर दैट रीजन शी इज अपीयरिंग इन द इंटरव्यू, लेकिन शी वांट्स टू शिफ्ट. तो ये मेंशन करना भी फिर ये इट इज रॉन्ग. ठीक है, तो वहां पे आप सेक्टर, इफ यू आर mentioning, or if the candidate is referring to some broader information, that is quite acceptable. ठीक है, suppose sector दोनों कंपनीज का सेम है लेकिन कंपनीज डिफरेंट है, तो यहाँ पे ही आपका सिलेक्शन का चांसेस जो है वो डेवलप होते हैं. आप किस तरीके से इंफॉर्मेशन प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो. आप स्टार्टिंग में ही बोल देगा कैंडिडेट, या आप बोल दोगे कि मुझे तो उस कंपनी में ये पोजीशन गेन करनी है, तो that particular organization will think कि ये तो the person will definitely leave as the person gets opportunity in
Yes,
that
ma'am.
particular organization. Okay, then the person will definitely leave. So they also want some permanent type of employee. Okay, कि जो long term उनके साथ associate करे. Day to day shifting, day to day transfer वाला person उनको भी नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, तो smartly the information has to be presented. That is the reason I'm making that कि broader context को आप बोलो बजाय के specific pinpointing information की. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so rest of the things we will discuss later on. Although we have discussed in the previous example, so all of you please try for the correction in the rest of the part. Only I think one or two informations are left. So you have to just check that is the sequence of the information correct? Is the information required here? Okay, and if it is required, how it has to be presented. Okay, so all these things you have to check. I'll be posting this file, okay, in your classroom account. Okay, by evening I'll be posting because I have my class after this also. So by evening I'll be posting this.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
students.
Thank you very much.
If you have any question, you can place. आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है तो बोलिए. और ईश्वर से किसी का कांटेक्ट है तो आप प्लीज ईश्वर को इन्फॉर्म करो कि नेक्स्ट क्लास में प्रेजेंट रहेगा विद ऑल द होमवर्क डन. Yes, you have some question?
Oh, have you
No,
seen
ma'am.
our papers?
No?
Have you seen our papers?
हाँ बोलो.
Have you checked our papers?
Hmm?
Have you checked our papers?
No, not yet. Yesterday only you submitted your answer sheets.
Okay.
I was
Yes.
preparing for the classes. Okay, today I'll start then checking. Although I started one or two answer sheets, I've checked. Okay, but today evening I'll be checking more. So it will take at least 2-3 days because there are a lot of answer sheets.
Yes, ma'am.
You'll be
Thank you.
notified. You will be notified. Okay.
Ma'am, do you have any information about when the college will be opening or not?
I do not have any confirm information. Okay, whatever is coming from the public platform, okay, that I can only share.
Because in our state that from 2nd November it is starting. From 2nd November.
From 2nd November.
In our state, means West Bengal. It is starting from 2nd November.
Okay.
So that's why only
In
I
your
was
state.
asking.
West Bengal is our state also because I also belong to India.
That's
Huh?
state was this
हाँ
state.
सुरीत, क्यों वेस्ट
Yes.
बंगाल हमारा नहीं है क्या? हमारा
Ma'am, that
नहीं
is
है?
okay, but according to residents, some different governments are there. No, that's why. Yes, actually, all
Okay,
states are everyone, but government are different, na, everywhere.
yes,
That is only the main
that's
thing.
what
Government
I was also रेफरिंग. ठीक है, मैं भी वही रेफर
government
कर
is
रही हूँ कि जो
preferring
भी
in
पब्लिक
everywhere.
प्लेटफॉर्म से इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है, ठीक है, अभी आई कैन ऑल्सो स्टिक टू दैट ओनली. ओके, बिकॉज सी even even if we are willing, okay, with keeping all the safety measures, okay, then also we have to follow the government guidelines. Okay, so as the government has centrally declared, okay, that yes, academic institutions can be started, okay, from at least institutions of higher education. uh, okay, there the regular classes, the physical classes can be held, okay, from 1st of November. The academic session can be started, but then also it depends upon the situation and the further instructions from the government side.
Yes, ma'am. That also they have also said that UGC that they are willing, but if state governments wants, they can
Yes,
extend the closer.
yes. Okay, the physical commutation can be restricted. Online session is going on.
Actually, it has been many days now.
It has been very late. ये सुहरीत क्या बोल रहे हो आप? हाँ,
बहुत दिन हो गया घर में बैठे बैठे, अभी अच्छा नहीं लग
बहुत
रहा
दिन
हो।
घर में बैठा हो गया. हाँ, तो ठीक है,
अभी
आप
अच्छा
कॉलेज
नहीं
आ
लग
जाओ.
रहा, अभी
आप आ
अच्छा
जाओ
नहीं लग
कॉलेज.
रहा।
आप आ जाओ कॉलेज.
लेकिन अगर खुलेगा नहीं तो कैसे जाऊंगा?
नहीं खुलेगा. आप आ जाओ, आपके लिए खोल देंगे. हाँ, बट आपको पूरा मास्क वास्क लगा के, ठीक है, आपको भी डिसिप्लिन पूरा फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, है ना?
हाँ, वो तो
हाँ,
करना ही पड़ेगा, जब भी खुलेगा तब भी करना पड़ेगा।
यस.
जब भी खुलेगा
ओके,
तब।
तो yes, any other question of our topic?
No.
No? Then you can leave. You can leave the class. Okay. And I'll be sharing. You have to make the corrections, okay, in writing, and you have to submit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then. Thank you, all of you, and have a good day. Have a healthy day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.